Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. Today I have the Felicity Jane. I think this is the Amanda unboxing. This is for the month of July 2020 and I just received my package yesterday. So let's go ahead and open this. It always comes with a journaling card and this one says Hello Summer. And this is just a thank you card, but I always like to put this in my project life. So let's go ahead and box this. She always has the perfect ribbon. But this is what the kit looks like when it comes. So let's go ahead and start with the papers. I didn't order 2 sets of papers this time because I have another kit that I want to go through. So I love this. I always cut this apart to use as part of my layering. Oh, look at all these tabs. And this is for the month of July. And here's what the papers look like. This is called Floral and Chevron. Isn't that pretty? I like that that's got the gray background on there. It says Chevron, but oh, I see. If you look really closely from far away, you can see the chevron there. At first I was just like, no, those are a bunch of squares. So there's the floral and chevron. Then this is lemons and stripes. I do like this mustard yellow. Lemon and stripes. Then sketched polka dots and hearts. Ooh, see that? It looks like hand-drawn polka dots. Ooh, and hand-drawn hearts too. Oh, that's pretty. Then gingham and bows. Oh, that's pretty too. Bold stripes and plaid. I like the hand-drawn plaid. Then this is dots and tabs. I'm gonna have to fussy cut some of these tabs out. Oh, I like the stars. And then these are the 2 solid color cardstocks. Ooh, these look almost the same. Oh no, I guess not. And then this blue and green. Okay, so there's that. And that's what that looks like. Next, I have the journaling cards here. I use these for Project Life. And we've got the rainbow, and the thing I like about these is they always have like a grid or graph pattern on the back, so that if you don't want to use the front part of the card, you can always use the back. Flowers, polka dots, gingham, stripes, summer, 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 summer. Oh, look at these tabs. That's fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can number things off. Like a library lined card. Stars, play, lemons, and a sunburst. Okay. Then I have the Amanda die cuts. I always love, look at, you can see all the things that come on there. Let's go ahead and open this up. I always love the Amanda girl. I'm gonna put this right here. Look at that fun girl. Ooh, there's a letter E. I wonder what that's for. Rainbow. Oh, and it's got a hanging thing. Flowers, labels, lemons, tabs, hearts, stars, hearts, today, an ampersand, more tabs, hearts, chapter number 7. Oh, these letters spell out summer. See? And it's got a little stitch right there. Let's see what some of these other words say. Oh, this just labels. Oh, look at this tassel banner. Flowers. On to the next adventure. Our next adventure is right at home. Life. Okay, And then it also came with Amanda Puffy Shapes. These are always fun. Stars, little puffy circles and hearts, all in the colors that are in this kit. This is the Sam set that comes with it. Let's go somewhere, day at the pool, backyard camp out. Oh, these are great for the little tabs. Bucket list, farmer's market, vacation. Well, who's going on vacation these days? Geotag. But this is perfect for Project Life. So I usually leave it like this, so I remember to use those. So this is the Amanda Puffy alphabet that comes with it. It comes with one set, but I bought 2 more. So I'm gonna put that under here. And I always like to open this and have this ready for me to use. But I love these puffy stickers. Yeah. So I'm gonna get those ready to use. It also came with chipboard bits. Okay, so let's put this up here. And let's see, it shows what comes with cactus, cacti, road trip. Oh, look at that SUV or minivan or whatever that is. Happy camper, scenic view. I can use this for the road trip that we took last year, which I haven't finished yet. I haven't been recording that one just because it's mostly just photos and journaling, not a lot of like layouts. I'm doing it Project Lifestyle, but I can add some of these bits to it. Maybe I'll do layouts for my road trip album using this kit. And then it comes with this. What is this? I think it's just ribbon. Yeah, green twill ribbon. And then it came with this washi tape. It's that floral, this one in a mini. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Oh, and it's nice thick tape. And this doesn't come with the kit, but I purchased the Amanda girl, the Felicity Jane girl. I always get these stamps because I end up making cards with them. And this did not come with a kit, but I ordered these more of these acetate pop-ins because I like to put programs or some of the kids' artwork, and I just add it to this strip and just put these into the binders because it's got the holes in there. And these fit into the 12 by 12 albums as well. So there you have it. That's my Amanda kit. Thanks for joining me, and I can't wait to start using this kit. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.